Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our classroom. My name is Teacher Jen. In today's lesson, we are going to practice our letter sounds. So, are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's start. First is letter A, 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 or A. B, B, B. C, K, K, or S. D, D, D. E, E, E. F, G, 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 H, I, E, E, J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 Enya, Nya, Nya, NG, 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 O, 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 P, Q, K, K, R, 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 S, 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 T, U, 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 V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, Z, Z. So that is the sounds of the 28 letter sounds. Did you understand, everyone? Okay, very good. So, thank you for listening. Goodbye.